laying in the ICU, having a revelation that I don't really want to die, but nobody has ever taught me how to live. Would someone please just teach me how to live, because I don't know how to do that.
So there was a short period of time where we lost 3 people to suicide. And I think there's something in you that says, this could never happen to my family. And then my cousin Lindsay took her life.
Persistently feeling sad or hopeless, seriously considering suicide, even making a plan, attempting suicide, anxiety, depression, self-harm, suicide. These troubling statistics predate the pandemic and have only gotten worse since.
Simons is engaged an ad agency to make a beautiful ad promoting suicide as a beautiful exit.
Even now, as I seek help to end my life, with all the pain, and in these final moments, there is still so much beauty. You just have to be brave enough to see it.
They're selling assisted suicide with a fun, kind of adventurous message.
Covering our eyes and pretending to not see the kingdom of darkness is no longer an option. Its dark tendrils have reached beyond the back alleys and secret hideouts. It has begun reaching into our daily lives, showing up on magazine covers, box office releases. It's reaching into our churches, our homes, and our children's minds. I've heard a trumpet, a sound of hope, a call going out among the children of God, asking, who will stand? Who will be a light in this dark and dying world? We all have a part to play, and I know my part is to give platform for the testimony of God. To equip the saints with wisdom, knowledge, and understanding, to put on the whole armor of God. There are voices that need to be lifted. There are stories that need to be told, tools that need to be shared, and hope that needs to be given. Together, we are on a mission to fulfill the will of our King. We will destroy the works of the enemy and make way for his kingdom on earth as it is in heaven. Though the weapons of our warfare are not carnal, they are mighty through God, able to pull down strongholds. And when people are set free by the glory and power of the living God, and the kingdom of darkness lay bare, the good seed of hope will do its good work, knowing that one man plants, another waters, but God brings the increase.